In this video, we will show you how to utilize our change logs in RiskVille. You can view change logs in multiple places. Change logs can be viewed on the client details page, which will show changes that are made on the details page. On the insurance details page, you can see changes made to the insurance product for that client. And on the incident details page, under claims, you can view changes made to the claim. Change logs are independent to each client, and therefore only show changes related to them. Find a client in RiskVille on their dashboard page. If you click on Change Log, here you can see previous changes made by a user to this client. At the top, here you can see the invoice email has been changed, the log time is also recorded, and the name of the user who changed it. As an example, we will make a change to an insurance product under this client. We will change this note field. Now, you can see we changed insured and co-insured field, and it was the note we changed from test to test 2. Thank you for watching our video on how to change the captions titles within RiskVille. If you have any questions or proposals, reach out to us through email or in our support chat.